I can't tell if she's playing with me or I'm playing with her. What about this one? What about that? What are you going to do with that one? Are you done playing because you see your brother? Hello. I will show you her brother. Her brother is right here. Hi, Jay. Jay is an adorable hamster. What are you doing up here? Did you just knock off the bell? You did. The noise you hear in the background is Jay drinking out of his water bottle. Sometimes I think she's a bat with how she hangs upside down. Yes, I'm taking a video. Hi, pretty girl.